Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can import products from different websites to your Shopify store for free. The best thing about this is you can import products from anywhere. Okay, this could be Amazon, AliExpress, even your own website. You can easily import products from your own website or from another Shopify store to your Shopify store. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys in a few seconds how you can import products from any website to your Shopify store. Okay, now first thing you need to do, guys, of course you want to log in into your Shopify store. Now, like I said, this is a very easy. You can easily import. By the end of this video, you can easily import products from any website you can find online to your Shopify store. Now you want to click on you just need to log in into your Shopify store. Okay, and after that, what you guys need to do after you log in, this is the dashboard of my Shopify store. Now you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Now after that, guys, you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store. Now after you are on the Shopify App Store page, you want to search for an app. It's called Robo. Now I already made multiple videos about this app. Now some people seem not to understand exactly how to import products. That's why I'm making a lot of videos about this, because some people they don't know exactly how it works in the previous videos. So this is going to be an easy video, guys, for you, so that you can understand exactly how you can import products from anywhere to your Shopify store. Now this is the app that we need to use. It's called the Robo Product Importer, and you want to click on install. Okay, now after, guys, you click on install, you need to click again on install. All right, now as you can see here, guys, a Robo Product Importer. It says here install our free Chrome extension. Now all you need to do, guys, you don't need to worry about first step, next step, like all these steps. All you need to focus on is install this free Chrome extension. Just click on get extension here, and then if you are using Google Chrome, because I'm using Google Chrome, so just click on add to Chrome. Okay, click on add extension, and then what you guys need to do here, you want to click on this icon where like as you can see in the top here, it says here extensions. Click on that icon, and you want to pin the extension, which is the Robo Product Importer. This extension that we have added right now, we have to pin it in the top so that we can start importing products from any website. Just click on here. As you can see, this is the app, this is the extension. Click on this pin button here. Okay, click on it, and the app, as you can see, the extension, I'm sorry, is now, you can see it in the top. That's very important. Make sure you see the extension. Now after you can see the extension in the top, you want to go to any websites. Okay, this could be, like I said, your own Shopify store. This could be another, your friend's Shopify store. This could be Amazon product. This could be any product. Just open a product, the homepage of the product. Just open the product. It could be any product, and then all you need is to click, just to do one click, and then this product will be imported to your Shopify store. Just click on the extension after you are on the product page. Click on the extension in the top, and then you want to click on add to Shopify. Now that's the beauty of this app. It's very easy, guys, to import products. Okay, now you can always change anything you don't like. For example, the title here, the description, the images. Make sure you click on select all images. Okay, after you click on images, click on select all images, and after you change the description if you want, and after just make sure everything is correct. As you can see, the app itself says here, with consistently changing e-commerce sites, the product data imported might not be accurate. Verify data before importing. So just verify everything is correct, including the title. I don't like, it doesn't really make any mistake. I noticed that it works really great. Okay, now after you are finished, click on import, and then click on add product to Shopify. Now after you click on add product to Shopify, you will find this exact product, which is this one. You will find it inside your Shopify store. Now I'm going to go back to my Shopify, and if you click on products here, you will find this exact product inside your Shopify store. As you can see, this is the product. At the description of the product and the images. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can import products from any website to your own Shopify store. Now let's try this with, let's say, buy this something. I'm just going to search on Google for buy some, like online or so. I'm just going to find another product from a website that I have no idea it exists. Okay, now it seems like there aren't a lot of websites here. Let's just see if we can import a car. Okay, let's see if we can import car to our Shopify. Okay, I don't know if this is going to work. Let's click on add to Shopify and let's see if we can do that. Of course we can do that. If you click on images, as you can see, it selected all the images. If you click on import add to Shopify, okay, the product title or product price is missing. Okay, just go back and edit the price. I'm going to sell this car for $100. Of course, this is just an example, guys. I'm not going to sell that for 100. Okay, click on import, click on add to Shopify, and let's see if we can import this product to our Shopify. This is going to be funny because this app can literally import anything to your Shopify store. That's really what I like about this app. Let's see if we can do that. I'm going to go to products now. I'm going to see if the product has been imported to my Shopify store. Okay. It seems like it's going to take some time. Anyway, you get the idea, guys, that you can import any products to your Shopify store. Okay. Yeah. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like on this video. The product has been imported, as you can see. Product imported successfully. The car, which is 2018 Mitsubishi, I hope I pronounced it correctly, has been imported to my Shopify. Now I'm going to go back to products, and yeah, as you can see, the product the car has been imported. So you can import literally anything, guys, you can find online to your Shopify store. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. Okay, now drop a like and let me know in the comments what your questions are. I reply to everyone. See you guys in the next one.